Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Pasco County in west central Florida, eastern Hernando County in west central Florida until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
And we're getting crazy
At
lightning over
2:44
here.
a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles south of Hernando County Airport, over 10 miles southeast of Springville, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Around 2:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South Brooksville and Hill Northdale around 2:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Darby, Spring Lake,
Sorry, I'm just...
Lacucci, Ridge, Manor, Croom, Town, Blanton, and Shady Hills. Take cover now. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.